Hector's gonna give us his first recital. That was very nice, Hector. Very minimalist. Was that the grand finale? Encore! Encore! Bravo! For a sensitive musician like Hector, everything has to be just right. Oh, is it getting... Okay, let's hear the grand finale. Oh, that was great! Yay! Standing ovation! Bravo! Bravo! Yeah! Hector, take a bow. Take a bow. Take a bow. Yeah! Oh, yeah. Mix it up a little. Yeah, okay. I guess we'll turn it off now. This broadcast has been brought to you by the Arts Foundation of Norra Trangalan. That's Hector taking a bow.